Hi everyone, as you may know, we are currently running an amazing special on our brother A16 and brother A150 sewing machines. Plus we include a complimentary sewing gift with your purchase. You might be wondering which one of these machines best suits your needs, so let's have a look at them side by side in our next 3-part videos.
The brother A16 offers 16 sewing stitches, including 3 one-step buttonhole styles. And the brother A150 offers 150 sewing stitches, including 10 one-step buttonhole styles. The A16 has a 6.6cm LCD screen with a jog dial stitch selector. And the A150 has a 9.3cm LCD screen with a keypad stitch selector. Both models offer a new, longer J foot, a safety detection sensor, and advanced needle threading.
Learn more about the comparison between the brother A16 and A150 sewing machines in part 2.